Welcome back to another video here on Squatting Quads, and today we are looking at the turbo fan, not the violence fan, but the turbo fan. Now, this was sent to us by, Banggood on association with a friend, AliExpress. I don't know, but it was sent to us for free anyway, and they just said, will you do a video, put a video out there, and okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to have a look at what it does. There is a clue. It's a fan. It blows. But it also sucks, but not in a bad way. Yeah, we'll leave a link, and if you want to pick one up, pick one up. But we're pretty chill. We're pretty laid back. We're pretty relaxed on this video. This, you know, it is what it is. Let's go to the table and take a look at it right now. Okay, so moving over to the desk and taking a quick look then at the turbo fan from AliExpress. It is going to be a relatively simple affair, and I want to set expectations early. This is a relatively budget kit. This is not going to be as powerful as the Flower Violence fan, because this has not got no violence in it. However, for people like us, it may well be just enough. And the good thing with something like this is it's got multiple uses as well. So, with all that said, you obviously get the fan itself with a speed control on it. So if we turn that and press ST to start, we will do the usual trick of blasting it into my face with a wig on to see just how much hair we can displace with air. You also get what appears to be a filtered, I'm not sure what goes on here. Maybe nothing goes on here. Maybe it just goes on here like this. So that actually appears to turn it into a vacuum. It's very strange. But it is what it is. So I can use that to clean the studio with. Now, the majority of us are going to look at something like this for one very, very simple reason. And that is keeping our quads cool when we're working on them. You've got this, and you've got this, and you've got this, and you've got a charging cable as well. So, you know, you've got all the accessories that you could ever need. So does this, I'm going to guess that goes on there. Hang on a second. Let's do this properly. Now, I'm not going to pretend that that was an extreme cleaning test. I'm not going to pretend that the desk was crazy dirty, but there was a few bits on it, and it has picked up a few bits. Just seeing if you can actually see them in there. Not really, but it did pick up a few bits, so, you know, fair play. But like I said, the majority of us, so you could use that in a PC. If you've got like a really dusty PC, you could blast off all of the dust, and then you could add that attachment on, and then you could suck up all the dust that you've created the mess with. But the majority of us are going to use it for one very simple reason. And that is keeping our VTX cool in our FPV drones, because these things get super stupidly, shut up, crazily hot. And if we don't try and cool them down, they will overheat. They'll start to throttle. They won't perform as good as they should do. And potentially you're going to damage it. Now, we can see that it displaces it there. If we just go to maximum. So there's enough airflow there to actually knock this quad out of the way. It's not the biggest quad in the world. It's not the heaviest quad in the world, but there's enough weight behind it to consider that that's a decent amount of power from that. You've also got on the back as well a power gauge. So you've got 4 LED lights on the back that show you just how much power you've got remaining. And then to charge it, let me just unplug this a second. So to charge it, your USB-C just goes in there like that. So you plug that into there. And then you'd plug that obviously into a power source, power supply, and away you go, and it would start charging. And that's it really. It really is like a really simple, basic affair. This video is probably not even going to make 8 minutes to get mid-roll ads. That's literally how simple and basic this is. But, and here's the great thing, it's really stupidly super cheap. And that has to be a real bonus. Now, I did say in that video, I'm going to wear a wig and we're going to blast it in my face and see just how powerful it is. But I figured then I'd wear a golf hat instead, because the golf hat sort of makes a little bit more sense, I think, anyway. But Kissera, there's going to be a link in the description down below if you want to pick one of these up. It kicks, it fans, it blows, it sucks. I don't know what else you want me to say. It is what it is. Like the video, hype the video, share the video, do whatever you need to do. And yeah, listen, thanks so much for watching. If you need a fan to keep your VTX cool, this is a nice cheap option. It's good for cleaning PCs out as well, and obviously sucking up any dust and debris that you then blow out of your PC. But overall, it's cheap, it's cheerful, it's a fan, and it's not violent. So thanks. One more day. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.